Hey, what's up everybody? It's Justin at S&K Greenhouse. Today I wanted to make you guys a video to show you what's going on with the garden center. So yesterday something pretty exciting happened. Yes, I am standing in front of our new A-frame greenhouse, which is pretty awesome. This is going to allow us to have a much better shopping experience for our customers. It has got a nice concrete pad to roll carts on, and of course we're not done putting the tables in here. We worked very late last night trying to clean it out and sweep it out and put our new tables on the sides. We still got some flat tables we're going to run through the middle, but you can see we've already started bringing some inventory in here. We moved in a little bit of lemongrass and our herbs, other herbs. As you can see, got some citronella plants and just, you know, some basic annuals. We got some coleus, some dragonwing begonias, butterfly bushes. There's some Japanese maples. They've not even picked up the lift. We had to use a lift to build this thing because it's so tall. It's about 40 feet wide and 48 feet long. Shout out to Sunshine Electric for building this thing. They did an amazing job. Very, very professional. From back here you can really see kind of the whole picture. Our garden shop is in front of the greenhouse, in front of the new greenhouse, and then the new greenhouse kind of runs perpendicular to our existing greenhouse, but they combine with each other and make one big garden center basically. Now, lots of planning went into this greenhouse. Before, it was just kind of a graveled area where we featured our shrubs and trees, but we had some drainage problems back here. Also, the existing concrete kind of butted up to the gravel, so you know, customers couldn't push their shopping carts out into this area, and we really needed more square footage inside, so we decided, hey, let's build a greenhouse. And of course, with construction, you know, along comes, you know, having to dodge existing plumbing pipes and gas lines and electrical and all that fun stuff, but you know, with some planning and help from some professionals, we got it figured out. Now, what's great about this greenhouse is it has no columns in the middle. It's 40 feet wide, but it's all open. So, you know, we can maximize the space and square footage inside and don't have to worry about extra columns. Now, there's definitely more work to be done as far as building tables, getting our plumbing set up and injectors and all that kind of stuff. But for now, we will be able to use this starting today. And if you're local, we would love for you to come out and see us. We're about the middle of April and we've been battling tons of frost. This week we finally get to really load up on inventory. We got several trucks coming in. We got a big delivery today, and I'm going to show you guys some of the things that's coming in. Already you can see we got a pretty big selection of Japanese maples and vegetable plants. This was already here, and up in our growing area in this field, you can see our hanging baskets that we're growing. We do lots of hanging baskets. A lot of these are getting close to being ready for sale, but we do all different kinds of mixed baskets with petunias, calibrachoa, verbena, and we always try to include some of the new varieties that's came out. Check out that petunia there. Absolutely gorgeous. A lot of our tropicals out of Florida have arrived. You can see we got some beautiful Kimberly Queen ferns, some mandavillas. These are great for full sun, and they love to climb up a trellis. We've got some hibiscus, also great for full sun. Some smaller mandavillas, some hemulus begonias. These are great if you have a shady spot. Covered porches are really good to grow these on. You can see we just got tons of stuff already, but we're getting so much more in this week. These geranium baskets that just arrived are so nice. There's also some beautiful planters. Those are some with Gerber daisies in them. You gotta love Gerber daisies. Also begonias. And then we got some geranium planters that's got this asparagus fern and a dracaena in the middle. That makes a beautiful combination. Tons of New Guineas, New Guinea impatiens are just excellent for shade or part sun, and they come in about every color you can imagine. Look at these coleus. I love coleus. Another great choice if you have shade or part sun. This one's called Inferno. We've got another one right here. I'll show you. Look at the variegation on those leaves there. This one is Dragonheart. Wow, that is gorgeous. We also have a sea of bedding plants that have arrived. If you're looking to plant your beds, we got a great selection. These Bloomathon azaleas are showing out as well. Shout out to Proven Winners. These are so nice. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure you are following us so you can get updated on more things to come in the greenhouse.